Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you modular kitchen design ideas for your home. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, effective kitchen design is the process of combining layout, surfaces, appliances, and design details to form a cooking space that's easy to use and fun to cook and socialize in. The world of effective kitchen design is a maze of design ideas, guides, and tips, and a seemingly endless stream of expert advice. Where do you begin? To navigate this culinary landscape, we have compiled a transformative starting point help guide you. From determining your needs to installing your work surfaces, our guiding video will help you on your way to designing a dream kitchen that's every bit as beautiful as it is practical. When money is tight, or you simply do not need a full-scale kitchen remodel, there are thousands of design ideas can make an impact in your kitchen without costing you an arm and a leg. To get you started, consider these options when planning your kitchen update. First of all, paint. A fresh coat of paint is by far the simplest, most impactful refresh you can make in your kitchen. It's easy to DIY, an excellent way to add personality and color to your kitchen. On the second number, update your worktops and cabinet doors. Many building suppliers and home department stores offer new kitchen cabinet doors and work surfaces at a fraction of the price of new one. Get started by discovering the modern surfaces and material designers use today. On the third number, lighting. Good lighting can go a long way to transforming your kitchen. Spotlights or under counter lighting adds a futuristic touch, while classic choices like pendant lights bring a more homely feeling to your space. Consider the mode you are going for. On the fourth number, flooring. Old vinyl floors have no place in anyone's kitchen. If your floor withered and mucky, replacing it could lift the room dramatically. Natural materials like stone and hardwood are more expensive, but could make a huge difference. Here are hundreds of kitchen ideas that fit each and every style, budget and layout. Get started by determining your needs and deciding whether to do it yourself or opt for professional fitment. Also, familiarize yourself with the various kitchen styles to nail down the look you want. From modern kitchens to more traditional styles, there's sure to be a look that grabs you.
Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe my YouTube channel
press the bell icon to receive you more latest videos. Thank you.